Both the book, The Yellowhammer War, and the symposium are designed to mark the sesquicentennial of the American Civil War. The war itself began in 1861, but really came home to Auburn in 1864 when Union troops came through. We're going to have Ralph Draughn Jr., who will be talking about Auburn and the Civil War. We have 10 different speakers who will be discussing various topics on Alabama and the Civil War and Reconstruction. And then in the afternoon, for those who are interested, we'll be leading tours around campus and beyond campus a bit to Auburn's leading Civil War sites. Right behind me is Langdon Hall, which was built in 1846, the year that the war with Mexico began. In this building in the 1850s, there were debates for and against secession, featuring some of the leading lights of the day, including Alexander Stephens, William Lowndes Yancey, Robert Toombs. During the war, it functioned as a hospital. And then, of course, in the 1880s, it was moved from its original site a few blocks away here on campus. It's right next to Samford Hall. So we're going to start here. The symposium itself takes place in Langdon Hall because it is so very historic and related to Civil War history. But certainly this is Auburn's chance to embrace the sesquicentennial, to mark our history from the 1860s and 1870s, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun, actually.